Welcome to Community Legal Education Association's Everyday Law video series. These videos contain general legal information only and not specific legal advice. The information presented in these videos is about Canadian laws where federal legislation applies and Manitoba laws where provincial legislation applies. For legal advice about your specific situation, speak to a lawyer.
When can the police search my house? If the police show up at my house and want to search it, do I have to let them in?
In law, there is a basic principle of the sanctity of the home. Usually, the police cannot enter any residence against the occupant's wishes unless they have a valid search warrant or an arrest warrant for someone inside the house, or if the police are invited into the home. There are, however, many exceptions to this rule. The exceptions mainly relate to safety, evidence, arrests, and children and emergencies. The police can enter your home without a warrant or permission to arrest someone or take them into custody when they have reasonable grounds to believe that they need to enter in order to prevent someone inside from being seriously injured or killed, or if there is evidence in your home that relates to a serious offense and they need to find that evidence right away or it might be lost or destroyed. The police can also enter your home without a warrant or permission if they are at that moment chasing a person suspected of committing a crime. The police can also enter your home to give emergency aid to someone inside or to protect the life or safety of someone inside if they believe that a life-threatening emergency exists, or if someone heard a gunshot inside, or to investigate a 911 call. They can also enter to help someone who has reported a domestic assault or remove their belongings safely, or to protect people from injury if the police have reason to suspect that there is a drug laboratory in the house, or to help animals in distress due to injury, illness, abuse, or neglect. There are several circumstances involving children that allow police to enter a home. The police can enter a home without a warrant to remove a child if they believe that the child is neglected or abused and is in need of protection. If a child is under 16 and has left the care of a Children's Aid Society, they can enter without a warrant to remove the child if they believe the child's health or safety might be at risk during the time needed to get a warrant. Police can also enter to remove a child under 12 years old if they believe the child did something that would be an offense if someone 12 or older had done it. Your landlord also has the right to enter your home in an emergency and can ask a police officer to accompany him or her. Police can also enter your home in order to protect your property from being damaged or stolen, unless you have given the police notice not to enter.